What?
K,
What?
K.
Why are you saying k, k, k?
K is my sound.
Sound?
Yes,
Do you have any name?
yes,
What's your name?
I'm C.
Oh, nice to meet you.
You too. Thank you.
Oh, who are you?
K, K. I'm C.
What are you doing in my cupboard?
I live in cupboard.
How?
Look, cupboard.
Ah!
Don't be afraid. I'm C.
Why are you sitting on my camel?
Because I live in camel.
How?
Look, camel.
Yummy cake. Oh, my cake. Give me my cake.
Okay, here it is.
Who are you?
I'm C and I live in cake.
How?
Look, cake.
Hey, move away. You will burn.
Okay,
Why were you sitting on the candle?
because I live in candle.
How?
Look, candle. I live in cat. Cat. I also live in car. Car.
Today I have learnt about your sound k and your name C. I will never forget you.
Thank you. Now I'm going.